Hey guys, remember how I told you this was gonna be the video of Taylor's dream? Well, it's come to a delay where Taylor doesn't really want to tell it 'cause it's kind of personal. She said it's too personal. It's about my friends. It's about my cousins, isn't it?
No, we have a little bit of my friends for it, but it's mostly about my family, so I really want to tell personal stuff like that.
Okay. Well, anyway, I'll tell you my dream. I didn't really have a dream, but
So this can be her singing video.
No, I'm not singing. No, I'm making up a story. Okay. So once upon a time, in a lonely forest, chasing this kid right into the woods. He got so scared, he didn't even know where he was going. He ran right into a butcher shop in the woods that was abandoned. People were telling those kids, don't go in that butcher shop that was abandoned, because they knew it was happening to you. But they did it anyway. He ran right into the butcher shop. The bear breaks through anyway, but the butcher went and sliced the bear's head off. The kid was lucky enough. He got away. 5 minutes later, the butcher appeared. Threw an axe, landed right in the kid's head. My kid fell like this. The kid fell like this. And a penguin bubbled up, boop, 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 and was like, and then the kid was like, and then the penguin was like, and so the kid did. He got up. He was just like, he threw the axe at the butcher, went right through the butcher. He was like, oh, wah, 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 wah. Okay. Some of you are wondering how the butcher shop guy got killed and how he was abandoned, how the shop was abandoned, because it was on a busy road. Well, one day everybody knew about it. They came to go get turkey. They came to go get steak, anything you could imagine. And then just like this, it went out of business because there were worms in the food.
Because the boy that was killed and chopped up had worms.
I know, right? Okay, so then the street just like shifted back, just on the butcher shop's guy. House slash. Whoa. What's that? What was that?
I don't know.
What was that? What was that? Guys, we just heard a door slam. And then someone was talking. And we're not serious. I meant we didn't plan this. My mom is sleeping. My dad's at Shady Maple, and Daddy went to Shady Maple. Well, where did he go first?
To get his car washed.
Oh yeah, to get his car washed, and then he went to Shady Maple. So he couldn't have done it. My dad's not home. My dog's laying on the couch. My other dog's sitting right next to us. My mom is sleeping.
So how could she get up and close the door?
And then there was like, hello, can you hear me now? And then all of a sudden, the door slammed. Like it was my mom's door, and it was like the doorknob turned. That's what it was like. That's what it sounded like, and like a doorknob, and it was so weird. Like
so
she didn't move. Like I could
video, actually, instead of my singing video, we will actually go find out what it is.
So
Peace.
Stay tuned if you want to find out this.
And subscribe.
Oh wait, I didn't get to find that. Oh, well, maybe I'll have a part 2 of my story later on. I am peace.
Peace. And don't forget to subscribe.
Ouch. Don't forget to subscribe and please. Tell your friends.